The Mergui Archipelago, a paradise for passionate divers, conceals an undeniable wealth in its turquoise waters. In this aquatic show of many colors, pelagic oceanic manta rays can be observed. These fascinating beings are generally found in temperate, tropical, and subtropical seas. Also called Mobula Birostris, these ocean giants measure up to 7 meters in diameter and can weigh more than 1,600 kilograms. Their lifespan is estimated at 50 years. Manta rays are ovoviviparous. The female gives birth to 1 or 2 live young after a gestation period of 1 whole year. Most giant manta rays are dark gray on top and white with a gray band below. However, black mantas can also be found and are called melanistic. Manta rays are often confused with their cousins, the devil ray. While both have a recognizable diamond-shaped body and forward-facing cephalic fins, manta ray's mouth face forward, while the devil ray's mouth face downward. The belly of the oceanic manta is generally white, with scattered dark spots that become more concentrated toward the pelvic fins. This is what differentiates it from the reef manta, also called Mobula alfredi, whose spots are located between its gills. These mantas can also be characterized by the color of the inner cephalic fins. The reef manta have cephalic fins with a pale interior, whereas the oceanic mantas are dark. Although they are protected in international waters and by laws of certain countries, they often travel through unregulated waters and are still being fished. The International Union for Conservation of Nature declared manta rays as vulnerable in 2011. Their gills are still in high demand, mostly by the traditional Chinese medicine market. The guides and passengers of the Smiling Seahorse, the liveaboard dive cruise specialists of this destination, are taking part in their census in Myanmar. Black Rock, a coveted dive site in the north of the Mergui Archipelago, is the meeting point for oceanic mantas in search of a partner. Once a year, around the month of March, they gather in large numbers. At least 53 individual giant mantas have been identified. By their grace and beauty, oceanic mantas, curious and sociable with divers, promise a mesmerizing spectacle to those crossing their route. The Mergui Archipelago, home to these gentle giants, is also bustling with many other vibrant wonders. To see all these underwater treasures, we invite you to join us for an unforgettable experience aboard the MV Smiling Seahorse in Myanmar.